What's up, everybody? I want to say thank you so much for tuning in. It's been a true blessing. If you guys don't know, this is a stock trading channel where I talk about my journey trading the stock market, specifically day trading stocks and ETFs. So today I traded Drip, which is a sweet oil, McFall sweet oil, which is just some sort of gas, and I just traded Drip, which is the bearish of there's the gush and there's Drip. So one gush is the bearish and then or bullish, and then Drip is the bearish. So I saw, like I said, if you watched the prior video, we're just following the same patterns, ascending patterns that are in between the middle and the top VWAP, and then I used a 9-day exponential moving average as confirmation. And I'm just gonna keep doing this, and just get practice. So when I move to actual real money, I'll actually implement it more, and then let the emotions. Because right now I'm actually treating the paper money with emotions, so it's actually helping me a lot in just identifying direction and just finding the best possible move. So I'm going to show you guys real quick about what I was looking into, and let's get straight into it. Alright everyone, welcome back. So what I traded basically was, I saw that Drip was trading in between the middle and the top VWAP, so therefore it's ascending pattern. So I mean, it's a good time to buy basically. So what I saw was it started to sell off. So at selling, well, there's two parts of selling off. First it sells off, and then it consolidates, and then you have to wait for confirmation. Well, that's what I do. I wait for confirmation all the time. So you can see right here, it's stopped making lower lows, and actually it didn't move for a good 10 minutes. So that consolidation proved that it had potential to reverse. So as soon as it bounced off past that 9-day exponential moving average, I took my position and held it until the previous resistance, which was at 925, 926, and as you can see, it was right here, exactly right there. I took the position. Let me show if I can show it on monitor. Yep, 917 was where I bought it, and then 925 for Drip. So like I said, looking for, I looked at the marginal profit. Marginal profit was worth it. I saw that it bounced off the exponential moving average, so that was just my confirmation. And like I said, the consolidation right here was huge in identifying whether it's gonna make lower lows or it's gonna actually reverse. So guys, this is what I look for. This is what I'm gonna keep trading this whole week. Just these kind of patterns. No more predicting reversals. No more trading against the trend. No more just trading just to trade. I'm gonna look for just exactly this type of pattern, this high probability setup that I just usually like trading. And guys, if it works for me, right? If it works for, like, if something works for you, why not just double down on it and just keep doing that versus try to learn different patterns or different ways of trading when you could just focus on one thing that you're super good at, right? So that's just one thing I've noticed. So I want to say thank you guys so much. And if you guys gain any value from this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and also I just want to say thank you so much. And guys, secure the bag 19.